We saw that in the last 2 rounds, actually. We got a thumbs up from our race director. Pilots, go ahead and arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone, less than 5. Aggressive start from all of our pilots. Looks like the first one to be going out into the leads. Heads Up FPV closely behind is Bull FPV, and then running in third is Billster Waffle. A little bit of a mistake there. He's running in the number 4 spot right now. Heads Up FPV onto lap number 2. Bull 1 second back onto lap number 2 as well. Billster down and out. That's going to allow Waffle FPV to move into the number 3 spot when he crosses that line next time round. Heads Up FPV now starting to gap Bull a little bit. He's cleanly through our Inception Tower section of our track, left to right, onto the final lap for Heads Up. You can hear those props screaming. A little bit of prop wash there, oscillation in the corner. He's pushing this quad to its limits. He's getting comfortable on the track, and that's when he starts to shine. Bull FPV running in second right now. They are both way ahead of the rest of the field right now. No one even running in contention with them right now. Both of these pilots, if they win this, are going to move to our grand final. Heads Up FPV taking the win. He's got Iron Man engaged going into the final. Bull FPV going to take second, not too far behind, as a matter of fact, with Heads Up FPV. And that is how the cookie crumbles for 2 of our pilots. Good news for them. They're moving on in our consolation bracket.